Okay, so this is a bit of a different one. I'm going to show you a look behind the scenes of what it takes to shoot a overhead flat lay thing. And this isn't like the be all and end all, and it's probably the worst way I could have done it. But also I don't have the subject yet, so that's why there's nothing in the centre. But so basically the solution I've got is to have a C-stand with like a load of sandbags on the end of it, and this to try and keep the camera from tilting and fall down. So I basically got my C200 camera, was tripod thing just screwed into the thing there, and then just tight as I can. It's slipped slightly so you can see the bottom of my desk, but I don't actually think that's too bad of a thing. I can line it up in Premiere Pro, as long as it doesn't tilt anymore. It did like to tip, so that's why I put this sandbag here to try and pull this bit back, but I don't think it's working very successfully, so I might pinch the clip off one of them, and then I'll pinch off this one actually. That was supposed to happen. I broke it. They're not going to be best pleased with me, but oh well. It's just clipped onto there. Just trying to pull that, keep that in thing. So I've done it a little bit better now. So what I've done is I've added a couple of props that are relevant to what we're doing. So I've got the AirPods because it's an iPhone, MacBook because that's an Apple product. I've hidden a little air tag in that, and that just creates a just move that over slightly. With the black mat being there, I don't know, because this is going to be the subject where it's, or the area where the actual bit's taking place. I'm not 100% convinced whether I'm going to use a blue or a white light. I do think white looks nicer, but at the same time you can see the shadows on the thing. But I also, yeah, I think I'm going to stick with white because it's more clinical that way. Then I'm just using my normal desktop for the actual, what they call it, background, instead of using like a thing or the actual back. I was going to do it just on a black background, but I didn't like the way it looks. It was a bit plain, and also that one's really reflective. That's without that key light, so it does work, but I think it looks better with it on. Even if it's just dim, it gives the laptop a bit more life because this light isn't spilling as much as I would have liked. But I don't know. This is my first time doing this, so this is my first time doing this like flat lay type video. But it's not. I did a bit of it before, but didn't have such a big rig. So if you've got any things that you could suggest maybe that I could do differently next time, leave them down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this vlog type video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I might do more like this in the future. So I've been Ben with Start to Finish TV, and I'll see you in the next video.